Back on the Cummins 5.9 with the cylinder 1 Missfire. As you can see, most of it is already put back together. Give you some of the torque specs on the fuel lines and also how to install the injectors or whatnot. Just some of the torque specs that are left that I haven't talked about. Remember, on the valve cover, torque sequences start here, move here, go back there, then that one, then this one. Okay, there's 6 of them. There's 2 way in the back over there. I'm not sure if you can see them. Let me get some light. You see them back there? That one, those back there also have to be torqued down. They're all torqued down to 18 foot-pounds. Okay. Also, on the intake air horn, this air horn, same thing. What you want to do is you want to start here, then go there, then you want to go here, then you want to go back there. Again, start here, go here, and then here. 18 foot-pounds. Same thing. And real quick, if you're struggling to get the wiring harness loops or holders on the actual air horn, injector harness goes first. That's the middle one. Then it's the map sensor and rail pressure sensor. And then it's the air heater grid that goes on there. Also, air heater grid nuts go at 89 inch-pounds. It's about 8 pounds or so. Don't break those off either. You'll be buying a new air heater grid there. So, okay, also 18 foot-pounds. And don't forget that you have a stud over there with a nut. And then there's the clamps to put it all back together. And then you're just going to install the boost hose. Okay, let me go ahead and get on it. Let me finish it up. And that's going to be it. Plug in the wiring and all of that. I got to get this done. I am way behind. Customer's actually most likely on his way to pick it up, so I got to hurry up and get it done. I got about 30-40 minutes to have this bad boy running. So I will talk to you soon. I got another Cummins in that came in today. That one's an oil leak at the front. I'm going to find out tomorrow what it is, and I'll show you what it is. I still got the ARP head studs and engine reseal on a Power Stroke 6.0 right behind me. I got to get back on that. The customer's on my butt. I'm so behind on that. And I still have another Power Stroke 6.0 that I need to pull the engine out of and also do a light rebuild on it. Already started speaking with that customer about pricing and all that. It has a Missfire in cylinder 5. It has a dead hole. I'll show you how to do that compression and do all that work. All right, well, let me get on it, and I'll talk to you soon. You guys have a great night. Be safe. Talk to you tomorrow.